Okay, so for this video, we're going to talk about buffering. And in particular, we're going to talk about buffering your first order streams and then also buffering your second, third, and possibly fourth order streams. So your first order streams are going to have a 100-foot buffer. So we're going to go over how to do that. So you may remember that to symbolize your first order, second order, and third order streams, you go to Categories, Stream Order, and you add your values, and you can change the different symbolizations of these. So for me, I'm going to have a slightly light, slightly thinner first order, and then we'll have a slightly darker, thicker second order, and then a very thick third order stream that's very dark blue. So we see how this looks on our map. So at this point we could say, okay, I'm going to go in and I'm going to use my selection arrow. And I'm going to select each of my first order streams one at a time. So in the last video I turned off selections on my streams, so this would be very slow. Remember, if you turn selections off, turn them back on when you want to do something. Great reminder. So you see I've selected a first order stream, selected another one up here, so forth and so forth. You could do this, but this is going to be very time consuming, right? Nobody's got time for this, so I suggest that you use your selections similar to how you selected your soil restriction classes. Select by attribute. If you do select by attribute from the main menu up here, make sure you select down on your streams and then select your stream order category. Get unique values, press 1. Then apply. So now I've selected all my first order streams at once. And now you're going to go up to geoprocessing, buffer. Make sure you select your stream orders from this drop-down menu. Do not use the folder because this will use that selection in your geoprocessing tool instead of using the entire data set. So go streams, and then I'm going to make sure my output is into the appropriate geodatabase. In this case, it's here, and I will do stream buffer 100. So some other things, make sure you fill out your buffer units, your linear units to 100. Make sure it's feet here. And then down here in dissolve type, I would choose all. And then click OK. Now you can close this and you can see we got a nice finished buffer around all of our streams. You can see if I'm not going to clear the selection, but you can see that there's a little area that's new and there's a new layer. There should be a new layer in your table of contents that we can move up to the top here, and you can see you can change the color of it to red. And click OK. And now you can see we have those red areas where we cannot build that are around the riparian zones of our streams. Next, we're going to change our selection. So we're going to open up our stream attribute table and then switch the selection. This will now select all of our second and third order streams, any stream that we did not select. So this is one of the important reasons that we've had you guys code up your stream data. If you don't code up your stream data, this is going to be much more time consuming. You're going to be doing those selections, clicking on each stream, and it's just much more prone to error. So another reason that the GIS things that may seem kind of time consuming are actually very useful in saving time later on in this project. So again, we're going to buffer. This time, select streams again. Then go down here, stream, buffer 200 feet, right? That's our new name for this. Then put 200 feet in here, and again, change to all as your dissolve type. And then click OK. If you get a conflict like that, that's okay. You guys shouldn't. You all have your geodatabases in one projection, so there shouldn't be any issue like that. But no big deal if you do. So now we have this, and we can see all of our, we can change our stream 200-foot buffers to red again. And you can see that's how we're buffering. So the next thing you're going to do is do 100 feet for your wetlands and 200 feet for your water bodies. Yep, so that's this video. Thanks for watching.